What's up guys, it's Mendoza here from the Crypto Nation channel. So today I am going to talk and discuss about a holiday rental platform which is EasyStays. What is EasyStays? Well, EasyStays is a global holiday rental platform which is powered by the crypto, and the EasyStays token and the platform is powered by the Ethereum blockchain. And here you can book accommodation, rent out properties and experience travel. Here you can buy EasyStays token to book hotel, to book your travel. So this is the official website of easystays.com, and I will give you all the links in the video description. You will find there. Okay, and as I already told you that EasyStays is a very much good coin. So this coin is already trading on various exchanges like Probit, Foblegate, and CoinTiger exchange listing will be having very soon. To know better about the EasyStays project, you may read the pitch deck, white paper and traction report, okay? Because there you will find every pros and cons about the EasyStays project. Through the EasyStays platform, you can travel the world with crypto easy. EasyStays is not a new project, they already have working products, and EasyStays is a #1 growing rental platform in Australia, and it has an expansion on Australia's biggest global holiday rental listing website. Because EasyStays has a very much unique idea to employ to help the rental platform and all the travelers, because we face lots of problems in traveler section, like there has lack of inefficient rental platforms, billions frozen in crypto is a common problem nowadays, and poor holiday rental experience because we see lots of platform can't give you perfect opportunity, perfect benefits, so it got poor holiday rental experience and therefore lack of consumer focus and user control. But in EasyStays you will find all the solution for your holiday rental. EasyStays is cheaper. EasyStays transaction cost 2 or even 3 times less than platforms like Airbnb and HomeAway. EasyStays has easier opportunities for you. There is no obstacles, no lots of secret things. Everything is transparent in EasyStays, and that's easier to you because they bridge the gap between crypto and fiat. Therefore, EasyStays is fairer. Hotels, property owners and travelers control their own experience on the platform with blockchain based modules. Okay, even EasyStays is a safer platform because they already have operational business, and the immutability of blockchain is a combination that reduces chargebacks, so you don't need to spend a huge amount of money to travel to book hotels, because EasyStays is here to solve all the problems in holiday rental sector. Here you can get cheaper, fairer, easier and safer opportunities. Okay, EasyStays is a working platform and they already have a working website which is easystays.com. So however, EasyStays working platform has a wide range, and this is a very large scale project, because here you can see they are saying that we already have a fully operational platform where you can explore, host, book and rent accommodation around the world. The EasyStays platform already access to 1 million plus accommodation worldwide, and the platform is user friendly. Just you can go there and book your hotel. Okay, this is very much easy, and the payment system is very much comfortable and convenient to everyone. Like you can take all the opportunities through the Easy token, and you can buy Easy token through your crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum or even through fiat. So you have every options, right? Therefore EasyStays is offering unique opportunities to everyone, like you can play games to earn a holiday, like EasyStays integrating travel and gaming. You will have many opportunities to play games and earn the holiday, earn travel and holiday bonus roadmap. And in future, like in October of this year, they will release 4,500 bookings and a net revenue of 2060 USD before marketing cost. So they have already good plan for the future. All the information you will find in their website and in white paper, so you may have a look at it. It is not alone, they have such a good partners like Resolane, Rentals United, Hotels Pro. Then you can see Four Seasons, then Hilton, Hyatt and many more. Now let's see their products. The easiesttest.com. So here, so this is the easiesttest.com, and you can see you can buy easy token from the profit actions too. So buy easy tokens, travel, play, and earn free holiday. Okay, you are very welcome to easiesttest platform. Here you can see the easiesttest product, like you can book your hotel and book your rental from easiesttest.com website. So everything is very much open to you. You can check all the information from their website, and you can earn extra money by referring easy token and easy website to your friends and family. Okay, so do it now. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends.